Welcome to the tutorial on how to create QR codes on the print together with the registration marks for Vulcan machines to read and then have the machine automatically find the right file. So here we're now in Adobe Illustrator. We have created our little box here with the cutting and creasing lines. And now we need to create the SignCut registration mark. So we have installed the SignCut plugin into Illustrator. And now in the SignCut plugin, we can select our machine. So here we select the Vulcan FC-500. The size always needs to be 5 millimeters. And we recommend to use page frame and a distance of 10 millimeters from the edge. In addition, here we activate the use QR code and the print QR code file name. So we will have this number also printed on the printout. So we can also manually select the file if necessary. Now, when I click Create, it will create my 4 registration marks, which the Vulcan needs to read. And in addition, a QR code with the number below. And with this QR code, it can automatically retrieve the right file. Now, in order to do this, I now export the file to SignCut, which is opening here. So now we have it all in SignCut. And then in order to have the file retrieved, we need to create a Plt file instead of sending this data directly to SignCut. So what I'm doing now is switch the connection of the cutter from TCP/IP or USB, depending on what I have, to write to file. So I want to create a Plt file instead. Select OK. And then I adjust all my output settings as I want them. So here I can then select what do I want to do with the different colors. So in this case, this color here, I want to use the Creasing tool. I can also select my force and speed that I want, which can also be set on the machine. If I deactivate it, it will automatically use the values of the machine. So I'll leave that deactivated so I can adjust them on the machine. And then here the cutting line, which is the red one. Here I select the cutting tool, which are my presets, which I can set here. I can also set all these values manually here. And then when I'm done, when I'm ready, I click on Apply, and then Cut Out. And now it will create my new file, the Plt file. And I save this Plt file in a specific folder, which I can choose. So here I have made a folder named QR. And now I just name the file the same name as I have here, the 0214112.plt. It's already in there, the file, because I did that before. So now it's saved. And now I have the file in this folder. Now, in order to have the QR code automatically recognized, I'm now closing SignCut. And then I open SignCut again with no file open. So it's just this default file that is imported. And then I need to reset the connection to my cutter. So I want to set it to TCP/IP again. So it will now scan for the devices. It will find my Vulcan flatbed cutter. And now I click on Contour Cut again. And although I have not opened any file, now I just click Scan QR code and select the folder. I just need to do that once. So select the directory where my files are. Can be on a network, can be anywhere. The important thing is that it will scan the QR code. Now, when I click on Cut Out, it will read the first mark. So I need to move my tool number 1 over the first mark as usual. And then after reading the mark, it will read the QR code. And then it will pull the file from this folder and select the correct file if I have set the correct QR code on the print file. So I'll click Cut Out, and it will start reading.